In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use demand supply zone alerts in TradingView. Let's get started right away. Open your browser and go to TradingView Supercharts at tradingview.com/chart with the symbol set to NASDAQ AAPL. Once the chart loads, look at the chart header and confirm it shows Apple Inc. or AAPL, so you know you are on the right instrument. If the interval is not already daily, click the interval button in the top toolbar. From the interval menu that opens, click 1 day to switch the chart to a daily time frame. Now, you are going to draw the demand zone as a rectangle. On the left toolbar, click Geometric Shapes. In the Shapes menu that appears, click Rectangle. On the chart, find a recent area below the latest candles where several candle lows cluster close together. Drag from the upper left corner of that area down to the lower right corner so the rectangle covers the whole price zone. Then click the rectangle once so its floating toolbar appears. Next, open the alert settings for the rectangle. Right-click inside the rectangle, and from the context menu that appears, click Add Alert on Drawing. Now configure the zone entry alert. In the Create Alert window, open the trigger drop-down in the condition area and click Entering Rectangle. Then click the trigger drop-down and choose Only Once. Leave the expiration at the default setting. Click the Message tab. In the Alert Name field, type AAPL Demand Zone Entry. Take your time entering that name carefully so the alert is easy to recognize later. Now move to the Alert Message field and type AAPL is entering the marked demand zone. Enter that line exactly as written so the notification reads clearly when it fires. After that, click the Notifications tab. Turn on Show Pop-up so TradingView displays a visible notification when the alert triggers. Then click Create to save and activate the alert. Now confirm the alert is active. On the right toolbar, click Alerts. In the Alerts panel that opens, confirm the alert named AAPL Demand Zone Entry appears in the list. TradingView now has an active alert tied to the rectangle you drew around the demand zone. When price enters that rectangle, TradingView will use the notification options you selected, and the Alerts panel will show the alert event. Congratulations! You have successfully set up a demand supply zone alert in TradingView.